Hi, I am Aditya. We are solving JEE Main 2025 mathematics question paper. Let's solve. It is lecture number 3. We have completed lecture 1 and 2 in shorts video. You can check those. I am Aditya Sarangi, founder of A.I.M, Aditya Institute of Mathematics. I have completed MSc from Central University of Kerala. Let's solve this question. It is given that f is a differential function at all points of the domain. Ignore this thing. Come to main part. It is given that x square f dash of x equal to 2x f of x plus 3. Okay, given that f of 1 equals to 4 and is asking that 2 f of 2 equals to what? That means first we will find what is f of x, then we will put x equal to 2 and multiplied with 2 with the f of 2. This is clear. Now we'll solve this question. So I am writing the given part. X square f dash x equals to 2x f of x plus 3. We can write x square f dash x minus 2x f of x equals to 3. This implies x square f dash x minus 2x f of x divided by x square to the whole square, and this side also I am defining x square whole square. Why I did that, I'll let you know after some time. Now see what is this. We have studied the derivative of u by v. Okay, so see what this become if we integrate both sides with respect to x. What will happen? It will be integration of x square f dash of x minus 2x f of x divided by x square to the whole square dx, which will be equals to 3 by x to the power 4 dx. What will be this? You might have studied about integration of derivative of u by v, and now we are doing the its resultant part in integration dx. Eventually we will get a u by v. So this will be f of x divided by x square. How this become? I am giving you as a tax, which equals to this side we have 3 by x power 4. 3 by x power 4 we can write as 3 into x power 4, and integration of this will be 3 went outside into x power minus 4 plus 1 divided by minus 4 plus 1, which will be 3 into x power minus 3 divided by minus 3, which will be minus x power minus 3. So I can write here minus x power minus 3 plus c. C is a constant. Now what? Now I am multiplying this x square to that side. This will be minus x power minus 1 plus c x square, which will be minus 1 by x plus cx square. We got the f of x. Now see here it is given that f of 1 equal to 4. So I can put here f of 1 equals to 4, which will be minus 1 by 1 plus c into 1, which will be minus 1 plus c. This implies c will be 4 plus 1, which equal to 5. So we got the value of c. We can put here at the place of c. So what we got? We'll get f of x equals to minus 1 by x plus 5 x square. Is that right? Yeah, we got this much. Now they are asking 2f of 2. So 2f of 2 will be 2 into, put the value 2 at place of x, minus 1 by 2 plus 5 into 2 square, which will be minus 1 plus 5 into 2 cube, which will be minus 1, plus this will be 8 into 5, 40, which will be 39. So our options are, this will be correct, these three will be incorrect. If you have understood this question, please like the video, and thank you.